Hi boys and girls, it's Mr. Gennrich here, and if you guys are watching this video, it means that you're probably on a phone or a tablet, a device that you wouldn't be able to use Microsoft Office in the online version of Word, which is what this week's lesson. So as a way to kind of work around that and as a way to kind of keep everyone engaged, if you're on a phone or if you're on a tablet, I created this alternative lesson. Okay, so for you, what you're going to do this week is you're obviously watching the video and you won't need to click on the assignment. If you'd like, you can look into it and you can see what the directions are. If you do have access to a laptop or desktop or even a Chromebook, it'd probably be easier doing it that way and you'd actually do this week's lesson. But if you are on a phone, if you are on a tablet and you'd like to be actively engaged, this is an alternative assignment and a way of turning something in to me so that I see it. All right, so I'm going to share my screen so you guys can kind of see what I see. All right, and then you guys should see this. Okay, so what I did then is I am in Emmy's classroom, in our second grade classroom for her. So I am going to click then on this week's lesson. So when you click on this week's lesson, you don't have to, when I said you don't have to click on it, you don't have to worry about clicking Office 365 here, okay? What you're gonna do is you're gonna click on this Submit Assignment tab, and most of you are pretty familiar with that. So I'm gonna show you just real quick how we're gonna use that as a way to get around not being able to use 365, okay? Because if you're on a phone or if you're on a tablet of, iPad, something like that, it's not probably going to be able to work for you to use that option. So here we go. Submit assignment. And then once you submit the assignment, you're going to go right to the create one. It's in the middle. So you got upload, create, resources. You're going to click create. And when you click create, you're going to click here in this box and you're going to tell me if you're in first grade, one sentence, something that's interesting about you or something that you like. If you're in second grade, you're going to tell me 2 sentences about you, something interesting or something that you like. And then third grade, 3 sentences, something that's interesting or something that you like. Okay, so that's how we're going to do that. And just in the create tab right here, you're just going to write your sentence. So we're going to pretend like, we've got first grade here. So we're going to write one sentence. Let's use this one. I'll pretend I'm Emmy. And something interesting about Emmy is I have mommy and daddy that are both teachers. Mrs. Gennrich is a teacher just like I am too, okay? So if I'm Emmy, maybe I choose to share that in my my sentence writing, and so you can put that. Now, the only thing you're going to do after that is you're literally going to hit the submit button and you're done. Okay, now the reason for this activity is, again, just to kind of get an idea of using some of our technology that we have available to us, okay? And so when you're submitting an activity, it's pretty cool how you can literally just click, submit, create, write your sentence in there, and then answer the question doing it that way. So if you're unable to use a laptop or desktop computer, you're not able to use that as an option, and you click on this and it's not working, this is an alternative way to kind of do an activity where you're writing a sentence and you're able to submit it, and then I can see it. I'll see here, and if you put it in here, then obviously I know that you guys are using this video and you're using this option instead of the other, okay? And that's absolutely fine. All right, so we're going to stop here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little activity, just a way to kind of get into our, using some features, using some technology and being able to, kind of carry that over into the classroom. That's kind of the point here with this. Whether it's the 365 version where you're using Word Online or whether you're using the Schoology Create button like I showed you, it's just a way to kind of use the technology that we have available to us, and not just here for Mr. Gennrich, but for the classroom teachers too. So whether we're in the classroom, whether you're at home, it just gives you some options to use some technology that could help you out. So thank you very much for watching and for completing the activity this week, and I will see you next week. Bye, guys. Bye, boys and girls.